friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn something that can make your English sound more natural, fluent and impressive, and that is idioms and phrases. So let us get started. First of all, what are idioms and phrases? An idiom is a group of words with a meaning that is different from the actual meaning of the individual words. For example, we can say it's raining cats and dogs. Doesn't mean animals are falling from the sky, it simply means it's raining very heavily. A phrase, on the other hand, is a small group of words that work together but do not form a complete sentence. For example, on the table, in a hurry, once in a while, these are all phrases. Idioms are actually a special type of phrase that have a figurative meaning. And why should we use idioms and phrases? The question may appear in your mind. Good question. Idioms and phrases make a language more colorful and creative, help you express emotions and ideas better, make your writing and speaking more fluent and native like, are commonly used in books, movies, everyday conversation as well. So let us look at 5 popular idioms with meanings and example. First idiom is throw someone under the bus. So what does it mean? When should you use it? Let us find out. To betray someone or sacrifice them for your own benefit, especially to avoid trouble. In simple words, when you blame someone or let them get into trouble so you can save yourself, you are throwing them under the bus. Let us look at a real life example. John forgot to complete the project, but when the boss asked, he blamed Sarah instead. He threw Sarah under the bus. One more example, a group of friends is late for class. The teacher asks what happened, and one of them says, it was all his fault. He told us to skip. That is throwing your friend under the bus. Second idiom is keep your chin up. Let's explore the meaning, usage, and how you can incorporate it into your daily conversations. The meaning, keep your chin up, is an idiom used to encourage someone to remain cheerful and optimistic during challenging time. It's a way of saying stay positive and don't let difficulties bring you down. Let us look at some example to understand how this idiom is used. First, I know things are tough right now, but keep your chin up, better days are ahead. Number 2, she kept her chin up throughout the entire ordeal, inspiring everyone around her. Number 3, even after the setback, he managed to keep his chin up and move forward. Now it's your turn. Can you create a sentence using keep your chin up? Share a sentence in the comments below and we will feature some of them in our next video. Next idiom is hit the jackpot. Hit the jackpot means to achieve great success, especially unexpectedly or to win a large amount of money. It's often used to describe situations where someone experiences significant luck or success. Here are some examples to illustrate how the idiom is used. She hit the jackpot when she landed her dream job right after college. Another example, they hit the jackpot when their new product it sold out within hours. Hit the jackpot at the casino, winning a fortune on the slot machine. Now again, it's your turn. Can you create a sentence using hit the jackpot? Share it in the comment below and we might feature it in our next video. Next idiom is put all your eggs in one basket. Means to risk all of your resources or efforts on a single venture or a plan. If that plan fails, You risk losing everything because you haven't diversified your options. So here are some examples to illustrate how this idiom is used. Investing all your savings in one company is like putting all your eggs in one basket. Next example, she applied to only one university, putting all her eggs in one basket. Next, relying solely on one client for income is putting all your eggs in one basket. Piece of cake is an idiom used to describe something that is very easy to do. For example, the test was piece of cake. This means the test was very easy. Here are some examples to illustrate how this idiom is used. Don't worry about the presentation. It is a piece of cake. Fixing the computer issue was a piece of cake for the technician. Another example, after practicing for weeks, the dance performance was piece of cake. Now it's your turn. Can you craft a sentence using put all your eggs in one basket? Share it in the comment below and we might feature it in our next video. That is all for today's idiom. Remember, using expressions like put all your eggs in one basket can make your English more vivid and if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more English learning content. See you next time.